Hello YouTube, the bros are back, and today we're going to be trying 100% unsweetened pure dark chocolate. And for the record, I have advised them not to do this because it's gross, but they're feeling brave. That was our dad. Let's get started, Adam.
This 3, 2, 1. Think it, sink it. Oh God.
I liked it and then I didn't.
What? Wow.
I tried to tell you. I liked it and then I didn't.
Oh my gosh, numbers are so... Wow.
Because you melt it and then you put sugar in it and you put it in baking stuff. That's why. Oh, it sucks to swallow. Oh.
Oh my...
Oh no. There's no sweet. No. Ugh. Well, extremely bitter, no sweetness at all, and it sucks swallowing. Can you go 0 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. That's a 0 out of 10.
Oh my God, it's not even edible.
This was spur of the moment. Let us know what you want trying next. Bros out. We're gonna need a lot of time to recover from this. Peace.